Hello friends, welcome to AKS. Today we will discuss the PIB analysis for the third week of December. So, to start with, India is among the top 10 improvers in the ease of doing business. India ranks 63rd among the 190 countries in the ease of doing business index. So, who produces this ease of doing business report? It is the World Bank. This could be a important question for your prelims examination. So, out of this 190 countries, India has presently ranked 63rd, thus improving by 14 ranks from its earlier rank of 77 in the year 2019. India has improved its rank in 7 out of 10 indicators and has moved closer to international best practices. India is one of the top 10 improvers, the third time in a row with an improvement of 67 ranks in 3 years. It is also the highest jump by any large country since 2011. Next, there has also been a remarkable improvement of India in the Global Innovation Index. In the past 4 years, India's rank in the Global Innovation Index has improved from 81st rank in the year 2015 to the present 52nd rank in the year 2019. India became the first developing country to launch the Global Innovation Index in association with the WIPO, that is the World Intellectual Property Organization, and the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII). Next, Portugal announces Gandhi Citizenship Education Prize to perpetuate Mahatma Gandhi's ideals. This would be an award given annually, and the first edition will be dedicated to animal welfare. Regarding animal welfare, Mahatma Gandhi has said the greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. The awards would be based on Gandhi's quotes and thoughts. Next, India US 2 plus 2 dialogue provides positive and forward looking vision for strategic partnership between the two countries. The defense minister and external affairs ministers are on a visit to the US for the second annual India US 2 plus 2 ministerial dialogue. Okay, this 2 plus 2 ministerial is the highest level institutional mechanism between the two countries and provides for a review of the security, defense, and strategic partnership between India and the United States of America. So, this was the second 2 plus 2 meeting, and the first one was in the US. At the dialogue, both sides positively apprised the growing partnership between India and US and noted that important milestones have been achieved since the inaugural 2 plus 2 dialogue, which was held in New Delhi in the year 2018. Both sides reiterated their commitment to advancing free, open, inclusive, peaceful, and prosperous Indo Pacific region. At the dialogue, both sides also committed to further deepen military to military cooperation, including the Indian Navy and US Navy fleets under the Indo Pacific Command, Central Command, African Command, and the intent to expand similar cooperation between their respective armies and air forces. Next, Pinaka missile system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization was successfully flight tested from the integrated test range at Chandipur. What is this Pinaka missile system? It is an artillery missile system capable of striking into the enemy territory up to a range of 75 kilometers with high precision. This rocket is modified as a missile by integrating with the navigation control and guidance system to improve the accuracy and range. The navigation system of the missile is also aided by the IRNSS, that is the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. The missile has been jointly developed by various DRDO laboratories. Next, Sahitya Akademi announced its annual Sahitya Akademi Awards in 23 languages. So, what are the Sahitya Akademi Awards? It is a literary honor given by the Academy, that is India's National Academy of Letters. This is the Sahitya Academy. It is conferred annually on writers of the most outstanding books of literary merit published in any of the major Indian languages, namely 24 languages including English, plus the 22 listed languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The awards were first given in the year 1955. Its purpose is to recognize and promote excellence in Indian writing and also acknowledge new trends. The annual process of selecting the awardees runs for the preceding 12 months. Apart from the 22 scheduled languages, the two others include in the awards are English and Rajasthani. So, one of the important points to be remembered about this year's awards is that Shashi Tharoor is among the awardees who won the prize for the English non-fiction An Era of Darkness, the British Empire in India. Next, the Union Minister for Rural Development inaugurated the third phase of the Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana. The scheme was launched by the Government of India to provide connectivity to unconnected habitations as part of the poverty reduction strategy. The Ministry of Rural Development, along with the state governments, is responsible for the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana. Rural road connectivity is a key component of the rural development and poverty alleviation. The main objective of the scheme is to provide good all weather road connectivity. The idea behind this is that road connectivity would increase access to social and economic services in rural areas. Next, the Union Minister for Communications, Law, Justice, and Electronics and Information Technology launched the National Broadband Mission. So, what is this National Broadband Mission? The vision of NBM is to fast track growth of digital communications infrastructure so as to bridge the digital divide and also facilitate digital empowerment and inclusion as well as provide affordable and universal access to broadband for all. A key objective of the mission is to provide broadband to all villages by 2022.